Among the features listed in our available homes, you'll probably notice pricing listed as TBD. Here's why. Each individual builder has a passion for creating incredible and unique homes. One-of-a-kind homes whose design, finishes, and interiors are selected and finalized as the project evolves. If we aren't delighted with the flow of a home or how it's situated on its landscape, we'll rework the design until it's perfect. This kind of flexibility is essential to our work as artisans, designers, and engineers of distinctive living spaces, and it is at the core of why prices are listed as TBD. Granger Family Homes. 5 companies with a shared legacy name. One home. Yours.